Hello friends. Today I am in Sedona and I'm going to take you on a tour of the Chapel of the Holy Cross with me. This is a church up on the rocks. It's considered a Vortex site, but not one of the main 4 wild Vortex sites that don't have any buildings on them. But I like to visit it. It has a nice, in my opinion, downward, calming, flowing energy. Some people don't like going to Vortex sites with churches and buildings. They won't find it calming because they don't like churches, because they have a thing about prejudice against church or associations, bad associations, or they just don't like buildings and they prefer the wild. I surprisingly don't mind buildings as the centerpiece of my sacred place. I kind of like them. I feel like they encapsulate the energy better and kind of focus it and hold it in and give you a place to sit and focus. Because when you're out at these other vortexes, there's no clearly defined center unless somebody tells you where the center is. And I feel like people's prayers and stuff, so there's like the energy of the land, and then there's the energy that the people put into it, and the architecture puts into it, and I feel like those all contribute to the vortex itself. So something like a church will have a much stronger people energy to it, I think, from all the prayers and stuff they put there. Like the other video, I have a video about Sedona's stupa. That would be another example of it's not enclosed, but focal point where people go and really put a lot of devotion into it. One little small spot. So I've felt calm, a sort of calming downward energy every time I come here, and I don't necessarily feel anything at other vortexes. So to me it's strong. And well, there's candles inside, so with my chemical sensitivity I'm not gonna spend any time inside really, but I will sit outside if I can, if it doesn't rain on me. Alright, and it's free. You know, there's a donation box like most churches have, and candle lighting money you can put in. What else? I'll think of some things maybe and talk about them after. I thought it was
the driveway.
the driveway. Alright, so Chapel of the Holy Cross. I sat there for maybe 30 minutes, I don't know. Does feel peaceful. Some would say there's a heart energy to it. I feel kind of sad when I sit there, but like kind of a good kind of sad. It's like a warm fuzzy energy. Sad. It's not really a common meditation place because it's mostly just people coming up and taking pictures of stuff. There's like a big mansion down there, and people either love or hate that mansion. They either want it to be their house or they think it's ostentatious and disgusting. There's no bathrooms, so that is a major problem because the bathroom is like porta potties all the way down the driveway that's like quarter mile. So if you have to go to the bathroom, go before. There is dogs allowed there. I wouldn't bring Mercy because she'd cause a ruckus, but you can bring your dog up all the way up to the entrance, but not inside the church. So that's it for one of my favorite sacred sites